Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Apple Pay account being locked. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to understand why your account is locked. Most of the times this is because of security reasons, because you might be entering the wrong passwords many times, or some unusual spending patterns. Now what you will need to do is to access your Apple ID. So go to appleid.apple.com and sign in using your credentials. Now if your account is locked, over here it will ask you for additional verification steps. Make sure to follow these and see if it works. Now what you will need to do is to reset your password. So over at the website, click on forgot password and just follow through the steps and add a new password. Now update your security settings. So make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication and also contact Apple support. After following all of these steps, if you still have any problems, then you can go to the Apple customer support, explain your issue to them properly, and they will help you in regaining your account. Also make sure to check for system updates. So make sure that your phone is on the latest version. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.